style that's symmetrical. Ponytail weave, something unforgettable. Blessed hands, yeah, that's Cherie style. Still press the best, she show you how to freestyle.
Hey y'all, I'm Keisha Cherie. Thank y'all for tuning in to my YouTube channel. What I'm about to show y'all ain't gonna never see nowhere else. Probably, I don't know. But I'm about to show you guys my heatless ponytail method. Are you guys ready? Hold on, okay? So what you need is some curly bundles. This is from my collection, the Keisha Cherie collection. I'll put my IG page on down below. There you go. All the bundles, my natural hair color by me. You're gonna need some rubber bands right here, little rubber bands. You're gonna need a brush, boom. You're also gonna need a comb, bam. You're gonna need this. This is the truth. This is gonna help us slick the hair. It's called Magic Fingers by Shine and Jam. You're gonna need some Nairobi foaming. This is gonna be for the curly hair. You're gonna need some wax strips. That's to keep all the hair in place. And you're also gonna need some glue. This is Natty's bonding glue. Majority of this stuff could also be purchased from the beauty supply store except the hair. Everything but the hair can be purchased from the beauty supply store. The hair can be purchased from me. Stay tuned, guys. First, we're going to divide our hair into 3 sections, starting with the back, ear to ear. Then we're going to make a straight line, the middle part, using the end of that rat tail comb, straight as you can get it. Then we're going to use some of our product, that Magic Fingers by Shine and Jam. We're going to distribute it in the back, okay? We're just going to take the end of our rat tail comb, just a little piece in the back, section it off. Get either a clip or, a rubber band to hold that top hair up so it won't get in the way of us trying to mold the back. We're going to take small sections, okay? Get some of that product, some of that Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. Put some on there, on that hair. And then we're going to get our comb and we're just going to comb it on through. Comb it right through. Okay, we're just molding the hair, laying it down. You see how it's becoming smooth? We're just working that product through, okay? Make sure that it's really smooth. Then we're going to get another small section. Line doesn't need to be straight. It's okay if it's a little jagged. It's okay. Going to section that hair up top off with a rubber band or a clip. Going to get some more Magic Fingers by Shine and Jam. Then we're going to work our way up to the top. Now, as you put that rubber band on the back, make sure you bring your hand forward because we don't want to pull that little part. It hurts really bad. Just, put a rubber band on it. Look how smooth that is. And now we're at the top. Doesn't matter what side you do first. So we're going to do the same like we did in the back. Get some more of that Magic Fingers by Shine and Jam. Put a little product on that section. Comb it through. Slick it to the back. That's all we're doing is molding the hair, slicking it down, working that product right on through. We're going to take another little small section. Going to clip that hair out the way, comb it right on out some more, get some more of that product, work it on through, comb it out, and now we're to the other side. Just like we did in the back and on the other side, we're working that product through. Parting it again. Putting some more product on it. And then we just going to smooth that right on out. You see, ooh, look how sleek that is. Ooh, can somebody say slick? All right. Ooh, that ponytail is slick, honey. Yes, look how slick that is. Then we're just going to put a little braid in the back. This braid is what we're going to glue our bundles of that curly hair on. We're going to get a little wax strip. This is for any type of flyaways, if you have any. You can use 1, you can use 2. I like to just use 2 just to reinforce it. You can use as many as you want, okay? And this is just so that the hair will lay down, more flat. Next, we're going to take another one of those black strips and we're going to wrap the braided ponytail, okay? The reason why I use these is because I do not want to get any type of glue on my hair. For now, I just use one. I mean, you know, if your hair is longer, you can use two, but you really only need one. You're going to wrap it all the way to the end of that braid. Just keep wrapping it. Make sure there's no hair exposed. And then I'm just going to reinforce it with a tiny little rubber band. I just put a little bit of glue on the track. Now I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way on up to the top. Just wrapping it. Put a little bit more glue directly on the braid, which has that black strip on it. Then I'm just going to keep on wrapping the hair up to the top, okay? Yes, a little bit of glue will get on the bundles of hair. No, it will not damage it. It's perfectly fine. But just keep on taking it up, taking it up. We're wrapping it. Continue to put glue as you go up the braid, just so that, you know, the hair will not slip off. We're wrapping it. Keep on going up. So we finally reached the top. You're just going to keep on going up. We're almost done. Keep on wrapping that hair around. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a tiny little piece off the end of that track. We're going to lock the tracks in place just by wrapping it around. And as you can see, it's full. And now we're just going to take a little bit of hair from under the ponytail. We're going to put a little bit of that Nairobi foam on it. And we're just going to wrap it around just to finish the ponytail off. And it's also so we can hide the weft of the bundle. So just keep on wrapping it around real smooth, real nice. And then we're also going to take some more of that Nairobi foam. And we're just going to work it, you know, throughout the hair, just so it can be, you know, a little bit curly, a little wet, a little wavy. Also, if you want to keep it dry, you're more than welcome. But I'm going for a more, you know, wet look. Let me show you guys the finished product. You see how it's slick? Slick. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Ooh, you see how curly that is? It's full, silky, curly, red. See that? See those curls? Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel free to like, comment, and share. See you guys next time.